Hey guys, it's Eric and Jen here at Orlando Hamcation.
Yes.
After a short, nearly 11-hour drive, we're here. The sun was here until we got here, but it's supposed to be beautiful tomorrow. We're going to do a quick walk around just to let you know that we made it and how awesome this place looks already. I've been to Dayton a few times with y'all, and now I'm taking you to Orlando. Let's do it.
All right.